Hello, I'm Kishan Joshi from FT37 block Construct Week 2. My Masai code is FT35 underscore 280. And right now I am interviewing the our group lead and the backbone of our project of betting app, the Prajjwal S. And right now, so Prajjwal, you are ready for the questions.
I am ready, Kishan. Let's go
So
ahead.
okay, so can you elaborate, Prajwal, about why you choose this particular project, or what is the scope of the project, or why did you choose this particular project? Like, what is your perspective regarding this? What is your viewpoint?
That's an excellent question, Kishan. So, the reason I chose this project was because I was interested very much in betting as well as the game and the psychology behind it. So, I thought it would be a nice change of pace to focus on three things at once and try to gain some insights out of it. So this project has a psychology aspect, this project has betting aspect, and this project has game aspect. So it's a very interesting project for me.
That's great. You actually connecting the dots of psychology, betting, and gaming, and data analytics as well. Like, so you are good at connecting the dots. Like, that's great. And when we go to the process, many of the times we face the many of the issues. So did you encounter your any issues, performance related issue, or any type of issues in the team or as such in a project, and how you identify and how you address it? Can you elaborate regarding this, so it will be
Yes,
inspirational for us?
yes, Kishan, there were many issues while we were doing the project. There were many issues we encountered. Uh, One of the issues was the data was too big, and um, that was the major issue. And we tried to make sure that instead of using the conventional method, we went a little unconventional and used Python. We had to write a lot of code for it, but in the end, I think it was worth it.
Great, great. So you work with a lot of messy data and like made the process of solving it in a making it more clear, and so we can generate the insights. So that's a great procedure you've done. So many of the times, if we done this kind of procedure, like we have to make sometimes many of the critical decision. So like, is you had to face any type of situations, or like when you have to do some critical decision which ultimately impacted the whole project directions, or like it changes the direction of the project. If it is happened, then elaborate about this situation.
That's a very interesting and important question, Kishan, because sometimes we are set in our ways. ऐसा ही होगा. We need to do it this way, and it's either my way or the highway. So I try to not do this, and I try to be flexible in this project. And there was an instance where as you are well aware, um, there was an instance where Tableau Public was not working well, and we had spent a lot of time on it. But in the end, we had to ditch Tableau Public for Power BI. Power BI is somewhat of an inferior app, but it allows us much more. It allows us to create connections and do much more in its big version. So that was a hard decision because we had spent so much time on Tableau already. But since there were no results to be found in Tableau, I had to uh, change the direction of the project and to using Power BI. And I'm really glad that we did that, because otherwise we might not have been able to clear the project until now. And
That's the great
thank
thing.
you for being a great interviewer of mine. So thank you.
Thank you so much. And adaptability is key. And we learned a lot about this adaptability and critical decisions. So being a part of this team is like a very grateful experience for me as well. So thank you so much for giving the answer about the questions. That's a very learnable experience for me also. So thank you so much.